Yeah.
Alright. So these are cards. Oh no, these are more stickers. Oh, there's more Star Wars stickers too. But these are cards. Their cards. Pocahontas. Alright, we're doing some mixed bags now when there's not that many left. Pocahontas and Lady and the Tramp can go in a bag. And I reckon, find the Star Wars one for that. Oh, it's baby animals. Look at them there. They're trippy. Where the fuck are they from? Grandpa Clinker? I don't know, but they're cool. Oh, I just put Return of the Jedi. What's that? Fab 5. I think that... Who's the Fab 5? Wasn't that? Hey? No, that was the Fab 4. Who's the Fab 5? What's that? What was that with Jerry Howley? Oh, yeah, Baby Spice Girls. Oh, look. Spice up your life. Ooh, ooh. Say you'll be there. Who do you think you are? Jerry? Two become one.
The mixed one?
Mixed bag.
I'm just going to go there. That one.
Victoria?
This one. Got a question mark on it.
Find the Star Wars one and put them ones in. And I don't know how long we've been doing this, but it seems like a long fucking time. Oh, shit. Oh, Smash Hits can have their own bag. Do a Smash Hits one, buddy, as well. Smash Hit ones might be worth something, actually. If they might have, like, a band on it. Someone who's dead. Always looking on the bright side, aren't you, McDermott? Broken toys. Smash Hits. That's Fab 5. Fab 5. You just write Spice Girls. Oh, Detroit. These are hockey. All right, where's that? You should leave that mixed bag out here. I haven't finished with the mixed bag. Good. All right. So, that one hasn't got many in it, so we'll put a few in that. There's a couple that I haven't picked up. They go in there. They're not full sets, guys. They're not full sets. They're like us, mate. They're not full sets. You can put on that. Oh, just what Spice Girls. What are they? And them. 2 Minute Noodles? What?
Yeah, they are Godzilla.
Do you want them? Are they yours?
No, I've already got like 50 sets of them. Is it a set?
I didn't even know of their existence, guys. But Scooby knows. Because he knows what he's doing. All right, so that, hopefully, is all of our Panini stickers. And their cards, anyway. All right, so we are now... Have a break for 2 minutes. Oh, my God, that's gone into 2 videos. 21 minutes of us talking about friggin' cards. Oh, not even cards, stickers. All right, sorry, guys. Sorry about the 2.